Hello people, welcome to Gurukula. I'm Jai. So today in this video I'm going to walk you through few online portals where you can find internships and you can apply for the paid internships. So before we actually get into the portals what are all available to apply for internship and to search for internship, there are 5 important points to be kept in mind and also to be kept handy, which will make you the process of applying internship very much easier. So first, prepare and update your resume, which should be role specific. So most of the students will make this particular mistake. They will be preparing one resume and they will be using it for all the jobs whatever they apply for, which certainly will not help. You have to prepare your resume for a job specific or for the role for which you are applying for. So identify the job role that you are searching for which job role or for which designation you are searching for to work as an intern. For example, you may be searching for an internship opportunity to work as web developer or graphics designer or security analyst, etc. So make sure you have appropriate skills and knowledge for the job role for which you are applying for. For example, you can include the courses that you have attended which is specific to the job role which you are searching for, and you have to mention what are all the projects that you have involved or the number of projects or mini projects which you have taken during your course of study which is related to the job role you are looking for. And then you can also mention the various contests that you have participated or won during your course of study. Next, apply as many internships as possible because most of the educational institutions have made it mandatory that the student has to undergo certain internships. And finally, you have to prepare yourself as like you prepare for your job interviews, because most of the interview process you will be asked for attending an final HR interview or face-to-face interview to finalize your selection for that intern role. So once you have all these 5 points in place, then you're good to go and apply for any intern role that you're looking for. Now we will see what are all the online portals that is available for applying for your intern role. So here first on my list I have a portal from AICTE, which is All India Council for Technical Education. So they have a separate portal for internships where the students can directly find lots of internships opportunity and they can apply in this portal itself. So you can search for any job roles which you are looking for and in which city you are looking to work as an intern. And when you even further scroll down, the portal allows you to find internship as company specific or organization specific. You can find internships from CDAC, you can find internships from Cisco, you can find internships from corporate specific internships as well. And when you even further scroll down in this particular website, you can see the internships that is geographic specific. So you can find what are all the internships which is available in your place of living or in your place of work. So now I will just click on the corporate internships and that will give me the total list of internships which is offered from the corporate sector in this particular portal. So as you can see, so this is the very first internship thrown on this search list, which is an sales and marketing related internship where you will be getting a stipend of about 2000 per month, and 28/2021 is the last date to apply for this internship. So likewise you have plenty of internship opportunities listed on this particular website. So where you can see that this is a virtual internship which will have an opportunity of working from remote, and most importantly you have to note that there is no stipend for this particular internship. And I would like to make a point at this particular time. So it is always recommended for you people to search for a paid internship, which means you should get some amount of stipend because you are spending your skills and knowledge to a particular company and you are lending your services to some particular company. So that you should not lend, and you always have a right to demand for some compensations in term of money. So there is nothing wrong in expecting monetary benefits from your intern. So I always suggest you to search for an paid internship. So there is no point of attending an internship just for the sake of certificate, which is again a waste of time. You are not going to learn anything, because most of the companies, those who are not paying anything, it is like a training courses, where internship is completely different from training courses. So I request all the students to understand the importance and the benefits, the real benefits of attending internship, and to search for appropriate internship opportunity. So you can always search for internships which will pay you some amount of money as stipend, and you should check all these things before you apply for a particular internship. So when you click on view details, that is going to give you the job role which you are expected to do on your, so here is the job role which you are expected to do in your intern period. And finally you will get the letter of recommendation, so informal dress code, job offer, and all these things are the perks which you get because of attending this particular internship. And you have total of 2 openings for this particular intern offer. So you have to create an account on this particular portal, and then once after creating account, then you can apply by using this particular button in this particular forum. So similarly you can search for as many internships as possible. As I already said, it is always beneficial to apply for as many internships as possible. So whatever the internship that suits your skill set, you can apply as many internships as possible. And then second on my list, I have a LinkedIn. I would always say that the LinkedIn is the best place to search for your internship. So once you have landed on your LinkedIn page, you can just click on this job opportunities. When you click on this job, you will be landed on this particular page, and then you will have this filter section where you can play around the filters, which will filter out the correct internship offers for your need. So now what I have done is I have searched for web developer, because I am looking for an intern as an web developer. So that is why I have fed as web developer over here, and I would like to work in India. And in case you can, if you wanted to work abroad, you can type the specific locations as well. So I have selected, I am looking for an internship opportunity, and I am not looking for any senior level or associate level job opportunities as of now. As I am very much specific towards internship opportunity, I have selected the filter called internship. So that will give me only the internship specified roles. So, and then I have also selected the remote options enabled, because due to pandemic we cannot go out and work at physical locations, at least sometimes due to this pandemic period. So I'm comfortable with the remote working location, so that is why I have enabled over here. So similarly you have a lot more of filters to play around. You can carefully select the filters which will throw out the list of internships available in this particular portal. So even here, these are all the lists of internship opportunities that you have. So you can click on any of this particular internships which is available over here, and the details of this particular internship program will be popped out on the right hand side. So I would recommend you to update your LinkedIn profile with appropriate skills and knowledge which is required for this particular intern role, because you are going to apply only by using this easy apply, which is an LinkedIn feature to apply for an internship, whereas your LinkedIn profile will be shared with the company people, so that they will be assessing you based on the skill sets and the knowledge whatever you have. So that it is always beneficial to have a good LinkedIn profile before applying through this portal. So when you scroll down, you can see several details related to this particular internship, and this portal will not allow you any stipend related thing, but still you can go ahead and then you can apply for this particular internship, as many internships as possible using this easy apply, so that once after getting any communication email from the company, you can always negotiate with them, like what will be the timing that you will be working on that particular project, and what type of project you are going to work, and what will be the monthly stipend, and what are all the other perks and benefits that you are going to get, and what will be the final outcomes or final takeaways that you are going to take, either in terms of certificates or in terms of letter of recommendation, or what are all the things that you are going to get in writing from the company. All these things you can negotiate with the company people once after getting a communication email from the company. So this is another portal where you can search for internships. And third on my list, I have a website called angel.co, where you can find lots of startup companies which actually searching for interns. So here you can always click on this job link, and then you will get this type of user interface. And again, I have searched for the job location, I have searched for web developer, and which is going to throw me all the internships related to web developer. And you have a filter section over here. By clicking on this, you will have this filter area where you can carefully select and you can filter out all the options that is available over here. So I'm looking for a job role called web developer, and I'm specifically looking for an internship. And then you can always select what are all the skills that you have: Python, React.js, etc., and what are all the marketplace which you are expecting to work, whether you wanted to work on education sector or you wanted to work on healthcare sector, etc. You can filter out this, and you can select the job detail, whether you are searching for a full-time job. I am specific to internship, so that is why I have selected internship over here. And then finally you can fill out all these filters. You can play around all these filters, which will give you streamlined filters according to your search queries. So you can also enable the remote culture in case if you wanted to work in remote environment, so that I have ended up with 20 results over here. So these are all the 20 results which I get. So what you have to see over here is, so Aapki Story is one startup company which has 1 to 10 employees. As I already said, all the listings available in this website is mostly startup companies. So we cannot expect we cannot expect the huge number of employees working in that company. So it's always better to work for these companies because they will be growing. You can learn a lot in growing environment. And also you can see that this particular company is actively hiring because they are processing the applications at a faster rate, and also they are growing fast. So these tags will indicate that these kind of startup companies are really performing well. So these tags will help us on which companies to apply and which companies not to apply. And coming to the next, here you have the job role. So they have a need for a web developer. They have located in Bhubaneswar, and they have also said that the remote is possible. You can work on remote locations as well, and they are offering you a stipend somewhere between 1,000 rupees to 3,000 rupees. And this ad is posted 7 days ago. So these are all the details which you will get from this particular ribbon. Fine. In case if you are interested to apply, and if you feel that this particular job role is very much interested and it is attractive and also it suits your skill set, then you can click on this apply button, and where you will be asked to provide a short story about you and your skill sets, and you have to create an one-page write-up or a paragraph of about 10 to 15 lines saying that why you need internship and why you feel that this internship is for you. You can highlight all the skills that is required, and don't worry about all these things. This is my dummy account, so that is why it is showing all these things. So you can write all these things that is required from the company side, and you can send your applications over here. So this is one area where you can search for the internships over here. And as you can see, this is also another example which I would like to highlight. You can see an internship offering from Web Students Designer, which has more than 51 to 200 employees. But the sad thing is they don't offer any salary, and they don't give any equity also, because you should avoid such companies. So I won't say that you have to avoid these companies, but keep these companies in the second preference or as the last preference. All right. So you always go for the paid internships over here. Fine. So these are all the websites that is available. So these are all the active startup companies who are actively hiring for interns specific to web developer. You can change your filter settings so that it will throw you out the intern opportunities for the game development or any React developers or Angular developers, etc. So angel.co.jobs is one website where you can find for internship opportunities. And number 4 on my list, I have Apprised. So they have totally 3 products over here. One is Embark, which is responsible for internship with stipend, and you have CAP, that is responsible for full-time jobs, and you have Prepa, which is responsible for interview preparations. So since we are very much interested and specific towards the internship opportunities, I have landed on the Embark page, and this is what the page that is related to apprise.co/embark. So this website is also offering you a training along with internships. So that is the speciality of this particular website. So in case if you are a student watching this video, you can directly click on the student link, and then you have to create a login, and there are a lot more of reasons they have given why you have to join Embark. And one thing which found attractive is it is free, and there are lots of young CEOs and startups who are associated with this particular website, and it also says that Embark is always free for you. So you will have to register, and you have to create a login on this particular thing. And Apprised is providing you internship on 5 segments or in 5 domains. So one is product and growth, another one is design, and another one is people operations, and another one is business operation, and finally you have analytics. And when you scroll down even further, this website also says that Embark is best suited for engineering students, MBA students, arts and commerce, and as well as design entrepreneurs. So here is how the Embark works. So in the month of July and August, you have to complete your registration, because it says that there is only limited spots are available. Once after completing your registrations, you will have to take up your ESAT examinations, which is Embark Skill Assessment Test, conducted by Apprised platform, which will be happening somewhere around September and October, where round 1 is common for all the students. And the good thing is, your CGPA and the past internship experience doesn't matter. So in case if you are a fresher or if you are a starter, you can still give it a try. And the website have also clearly mentioned that level 1 is, or the round 1 is common for all the candidates, and you can select the domain from the round 2. And once after getting selected, and all the selected candidates will receive 6 weeks free training. So as I already said, this website is giving you the training first, which is of 6 weeks, and after successful completion of training, you will be exposed, or your profile will be shared with some companies who is expecting interns. So that will be the last step. So you will secure an internship in the month of December to Jan, where you will have interviews with the company until you get an internship offer. So that is what the website claims. So if you are a beginner and if you are a fresher, you can always give it a try. And in case if you are a faculty member who is watching this video, you can always go on the faculty tab or the college tab. I just forgot. Okay, you have the college tab here. In case if you are a faculty member who is responsible for placement in at your institution, then you can always click on this college tab, and you can fill out a small form which is requested from Embark, and you can request for how many number of students you are requesting for internship, and then you will be getting in communication, and from there on you can negotiate with the official people. So this is the 4th website I have where you can apply for your internship. And finally, you have Internshala, which is very well known for finding an internship, and most of the students might know this particular website. So on this particular website, you can click on internship over here, and then you can click on work from home. So that is what I have selected. And even here I am very much role specific. I am looking for internship that is related to web development. You can change your job role as well. So here is the type of companies that is offering me, which is very similar to what we have seen in the angellist.com. So VUE.js development is the company which is offering you internship in the web development field. So you can start your work immediately. The duration is about 3 months, and they will offer you a stipend of about 5,000 to 10,000 per month, and you have to apply within 28 July 2021. So similarly, there are lots of companies, they have applied or they have posted their vacancies in this particular website. So you can always check around, and then you can always apply to as many internships as possible which suits your skill sets and which suits your knowledge. So in addition to these 5 websites what I have shown to you in this particular video, I will also leave some other web portals which is similar to these kinds of web portal in the description section. You can always check out the description section as well. So I'm winding up my video here. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Jai, and Happy learning!